Hello and welcome to this tutorial on searching the library catalog for archival materials in USC Libraries Special Collections. This tutorial will show you how to search and request archival materials like personal papers, correspondence, legal documents, and files housed in special collections. The goal of this tutorial is to familiarize catalog users with the search and filter functions, as well as the request process for special collections archival materials. USC Libraries Special Collections offers a rare books reading room and reference desk for questions concerning special collections materials. Because the materials in special collections are rare and often fragile or valuable, they must be requested in advance through the library's catalog and are only available to be examined in the Special Collections reading room. Anyone, including the public, can search, request, and examine rare materials in the reading room. Start by going to libraries.usc.edu. The default search bar is set to search through everything. This can be reset in the drop-down menu, according to the types of materials you would like to browse or search specifically. In this example, we will be searching for archival materials in special collections, so you should choose the Archives at USC option from the drop-down menu before starting your search. This refines your search to just archival materials at USC Libraries. To start your search for archival materials, enter your search term or subject interest and click the magnifying glass to begin. To demonstrate, if you set the category to Archives at USC and type sheet music into the search bar, your search will bring you to a new page, yielding 8,348 results. This new page gives further options on narrowing down your search. This page will show you results on the left, ordered by relevance, and filter options in the right column. Since there were thousands of results for your search term, filtering is a good idea to refine your results. In the right column, under Additional Filters, you may choose USC Libraries Special Collections to filter your search to only archival materials held by special collections. Once you choose Special Collections to filter by, you are presented with 4,037 search results. Under Additional Filters and then Subjects, you can choose Sheet Music, which refines your search further to only 17 results. The results of your search are shown at collection level, which means that there are usually many items inside each collection. Clicking on the sheet music collection, you are directed to the sheet music collection overview. This shows you its scope and content note, which is a description of this collection, relevant dates, and scrolling down where this collection is stored, what language it is in, and additional details. Under the term extent for this collection, it says 14.05 linear feet, 12 boxes. This means that there are 12 boxes of archival materials in the collection. In the right column of this collection overview, there is a section labeled Collection Organization. This section shows the user what subjects and materials are in the collection. In this collection of sheet music, there are items on film, opera, quadrilles, stage musicals, and more. Each subject has a drop-down option to show specific items in this collection that are part of that subject. If you click on Christie's Minstrels, you are offered 8 individual items that are part of the sheet music collection. If you are interested in a particular item, for example, clicking on Softly Falls the Moonlight, you will be directed to the item's library record. This item record will tell you, in green below the title of the item, that it is located in Box 3, Folder 11. If you would like to request this item to review in the Special Collections reading room, this is the page you can request it from. On the top right corner of the item record page, there is a square button labeled Request. This will first enact a pop-up window confirming your request for this specific item in Box 3, Folder 11. Even though you are requesting this specific record, the entire box will be brought to you in the reading room for your review. Clicking the red Request button will direct you to the Special Collections request system. Here, you must register for an account, which allows you to request this item to examine in the Special Collections reading room. In the request form, you will need to choose a date for your visit. It can take up to a week to retrieve archival materials because they are stored in multiple locations, so plan in advance for this retrieval time. When you choose a date, you are not required to view the requested materials on that specific date. You will receive an email when your materials are ready for use in the reading room, and you will have 4 weeks from the request date to review the materials. Thank you for watching this tutorial on using the USC Libraries catalog to search for archival materials in special collections. If you are interested in learning other searching tips for USC Libraries, please see our other tutorials.